Hey guys, come with me to Costco because I found some amazing new arrivals for June that you don't want to miss. From new coffee makers and early Halloween decor to delicious 4th of July treats, a cooling comforter, and so much more. There's a lot to check out. If you enjoy Costco finds and deals, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Costco now has this single cup hot and cold brew coffee maker by Cuisinart. Guys, it's such a nice find. Found it at Costco going for $69.99. It does come with a removable 48-ounce water reservoir, has an integrated coffee scoop and quart storage. You can also do 8, 10, 12, and 16-ounce cup size, and it brews both hot or cold coffee with the reusable home barista extra large cup that is also included. Costco brought out some really nice colors on these thermoflask 32-ounce leak-proof insulated stainless steel bottles. These come as a 2-pack, and right now they're going for $19.99. So essentially, you're paying very close to $10 for each one of them. Now, these bottles keep your beverages cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. They're also BPA free, has a double wall insulation, a leak-proof lid, and they're also dishwasher safe. Guys, Costco has a really good sale going on the leak-proof glass meal prep containers, a total of 10 pieces, 4.1 cup, and these have $5 off until June 12th. They went from $24.99 down to $19.99. And so this is what they look like. And I love that the bottom part is stackable. So that way you take up, use your space wisely, actually. They're freezer safe, they're oven safe without the lids, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, they're good for the microwave, and yes, you can clean them in the dishwasher. I really like this version, I must say. We have one of the previous models. They're good, but I definitely really like the stackable feature. Costco brought back the Brew Central Plus 14 cup programmable coffee maker by Cuisinart. Found it going for $59.99 and it's got some very interesting features. First, it does include the over ice feature, and then you can choose your brew strength, so you can choose regular or bold coffee. You can also adjust the temperature. You can do high, medium, or low setting to keep your coffee, of course, at your preferred temperature. You can also pause it. That way it lets you enjoy a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle has finished. I also spotted these skinny dipped dark chocolate coconut almond bites. I must admit, I've only had the peanut butter ones. They're peanut butter cups, and I really like those. So these have coconut in them, so pretty interesting. 30 in each bag, and they're going for $12.39. One piece, so look at that. These are also calorie friendly. 70 calories for just one piece. It has around 3 grams of sugar. Let me know if anyone's tried these, and let me know if you recommend them. Costco just put out the cooling comforters, and guys, I have a feeling these are going to sell pretty fast. I spotted size queen and king, and for queen, at least at this location, I only found white, by the way. $36.99. It's 100% polyester, and they even have a little sample here. Wow, this feels very soft, and it definitely gives me like that cooling sensation. So this is nice, perfect for summertime. They also had king size, by the way, and you can see right here. King size, I only found it in green. I think I've seen some people report that they were able to find other colors. So far, this is what's available in my area, or at least in this location I was at. But this is size king, and it's going for $46.99. Look at how cute and tiny these are. It's the Yankee candles, and you get 5 different scents. And so these are going for $9.99. It is a 5-pack. And you can pretty much place these anywhere. You can place them in your car, of course, but also in your closet, your bathroom. And here are the different scents. They have Bahama Breeze, Pink Sands, Midsummer's Night, Iceberry Lemonade, and Vanilla Cupcake. I can't believe I came across Halloween decor. And what are we, in June? Like mid-year and Halloween decor out already? This is insane. It's the giant groundbreaking skeleton with LCD eyes and sounds. It's going for $259.99. It's motion sensor, by the way. And this thing is huge. I've seen it in people's backyards. Here are the measurements for those that are interested, but it is 62 inches tall. I was reading the reviews on the Sunday afternoons hat, and ladies are loving these. These are on sale right now, so $3 off until June 22nd. It's the Sunday afternoons women's sun hat. These went from 14 down to 10.99. They're pretty lightweight. Love that they have UPF 50 plus sun protection, so they're good to wear if you're doing like gardening, kayaking, if you're going out on vacation. And then, of course, the adjustable strap comes in super handy. Costco also has a great price on these Banana Republic Essential V-neck t-shirts that come as a 3-pack at Costco. $4 off until June 14th. They went from 20 down to $15.99. So you're paying like $5.33 for each tee. That is unheard of nowadays. These are tagless. They have a cotton stretch to them and very soft. And it's a 3-pack of the white V-neck tees. But if you're interested, they're also available in black. Johnny Pops is back with their organic Star Spangled Flag. It has blue, raspberry, lemon, and cherry flavor. These are going for $12.59 and you get 18 pops per box. Now let's go ahead and look over the nutrition facts. For just one pop, it's 60 calories, and that would be around 14 grams of sugar. Ooh, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before at Costco. It's the Strawberry Full Moon Chiffon Cake. It's going for $9.99, and you also get 12 pieces that are individually wrapped, by the way. Nutrition facts, one piece around 180 calories. It is a little treat, so this one has around 15 grams of sugar. Costco now seems to have a limited stock on the Johnny Pops Organic Rainbow Fruit Stacks. This one right here I found at Costco Tustin, and check out this price, guys, $7.97. That is a clearance price. Typically these go for $12.99. Again, Costco Tustin, but they're definitely getting harder to find, and it seems like they're going to be leaving Costco. It says here one pop, it's around 60 calories. This one right here has around 13 grams of sugar for every one pop. This is pretty cute. It's star-shaped 5-cheese ravioli with a blend of ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, romano, and asiago cheeses. It's going for $10.69. And I was reading here that you actually get a total of 9 servings if you use both sides, or if you just use one side of the package, it's 4.5 servings. It has around 230 calories for every 1 cup. Tiramisu is back at Costco, and this right here is pretty good. It has a total of 6 glasses, and it's made with Italian mascarpone cheese. This one's going for $10.99, although I will say it does go on sale every once in a while. And it says here the serving size is of 3 fluid ounces or 1 glass. It has around 210 calories, and that would be around 16 grams of sugar per serving.